this is Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about Chanel. And since Matthieu Blazy's new collection is being launched, and you just see loads of people doing unboxings and talking about their love and passion about his latest design, like the shoes, the bags, and loads of people have been criticizing about the collection as well. They said they've lost its essence a little bit. So today I would like to share my 2 cents with you guys to see what I feel or think about his new latest collection. And I'm only mainly focusing on shoes and a handbag, but maybe earrings and accessories. So without further ado, let's just dive into it. And with Matthieu Blazy's design, they have some quite a large bags is being released. One particular bag caught my attention is this like a soft maxi classic flap bag. You can see it on the screen. It's in a suede design. I mean this color is been the colorway for Chanel bags, like especially in the classic flap design. It's been for like many years, and Princess Diana design bag years ago was always in that kind of like a beigey, yellowy, very pale and muted and nude color. And so the suede is in that color, but it is single flap with one big compartment and is not structured, but is a soft slouchy design. I think this bag looks pretty and it has grown on me, but I don't think I really love it and I got to have it. I don't have that feeling towards it, but somehow it's one of those bags that if you're seeking for some practicality, perhaps this is a yes for you. The other bags that they have this like a bowling bag, black one. I've seen quite a lot on Instagram with a double strap, and this bag is very simple, very chic, with just one single Chanel double C logo on the front and with double zips. It's just a bowling bag, quite a large sized bowling bag, and I think this is a practical bag, especially if you work in the office. This would be a beautiful bag, and also this can be an off-duty bag. And also there's another black one, very vintage style. I've seen loads of vintage styles like bags in this sort of a design. It's like a big square and with a double strap with a little flap at the front with the logo on. Chanel Kelly bag design that with this massive flap and a single shoulder strap, and the size is huge. Brian Boy has got one of these and it looks so nice on him. But I think this bag is really huge. But I mean, if you are anything under 5'5" in height, I think this is like too dominating. And certainly I wouldn't get this bag, and it is something that is just like too large for me. And besides the caviar leather and suede leather, and Chanel, after many years, they brought out this croc embossed calf leather handbags because stopped making crocodile skinned bags, exotic bags. So since then, it's for many years, and they just haven't had any croc bags to offer to their clients. And but this collection, Matthieu brought out this croc embossed designs, like this shopper is like an east-west design, just double shoulder strap, and is open top bag, and this looks like a very practical bag. And they have 2 colors I've seen, is the Tiffany blue and the black. I think the black looks very plastic to me, and maybe it's because when they were filming the unboxing they had ring lights on. The ring lights was a bit bright and just make the leather doesn't look very luxurious, but looks very plastic to me. When I go to the boutique, I didn't really see this bag in on the street, but I didn't really pay attention. I just forgot about this bag. The Tiffany blue one, and it looks very cute, and it looks like a resort bag you take on holiday with. And if you wear anything like white or pale colors, and it looks very cute and pretty and feminine. But I think if you live in a colder climate, this bag I don't think is going to be very practical. And from that practicality point of view, it's a very pretty bag. But practical from size wise. You can definitely put loads of your daily essentials in there. You can put a small laptop in it, you can put your water bottle in it, you can put your makeup bag and your notepad and everything into it, and then it's not a problem. It looks very roomy. And above all, my most favorite bag is this shopper. It has a little flap at the front, and with the CC logo at the front as well, and with the crisscross diamond patterns sewn onto it. It's in a caviar leather. It has 3 compartments. Some of them are like the zipper, and it is open at the back, 2 double long straps over the shoulder, and they have some tassels on either side. And this is east-west bowling bag, and I think this looks very pretty and feminine as well. It's a soft, but it doesn't really collapse. It's not slouchy, with medium structure but not rigid. And this bag is being buying out of their boutiques like no tomorrow. And apparently they're all sold out. They have the black one, they have the burgundy one, they had this grey tube sort of a colour looking one. I haven't seen a white one, but if they have a white one, I think it will be a really cute bag for the summer. This bag is about just over £5,000, and I think it's still quite a lot of money. I think it's going to be running season after season. Is going to be becoming a classic handbag in their collection, because most of Chanel classic handbags, they are like the classic flaps and in different stitches, patterns, and but for any other of their slouchy bags, they don't have a iconic design. But I hope this one is going to become an iconic slouchy designed handbag. They will pushing them out in different variations in terms of leather and color every season. Just a very practical bag. It can be used on duty, office, holiday, you name it. This can be applied in so many different places and occasions, and therefore it's a very versatile bag, even though it costs over £5,000. But however, if you use this a lot, and the cost per wear is going to be very low, so therefore it would be a good so-called investment. So after all of other bags, I think probably, even though this is a shoulder bag, I'm a girl that against the shoulder bags, but I think I might, if I have to get it, I might go for it. And talking about shoes, I love shoes. I have a few pair of Chanel shoes, and their comfortability is very high and far higher than Hermes shoes. So I always really love Chanel shoes. And for Matthieu's design, there are a few that caught my eye. The one on the screen is these 2 double contrasting straps running around the front and to the side of the shoe. And the heels are very high. I've noticed loads of these very high heels. And since my fall, I've broken my ribs since last winter, I have been cautious from buying higher heel shoes. So I would be always prefer a little kitten heel. 6 centimeters high would be probably the highest shoe that I would go for from going forward. Obviously, I'm not getting younger. I just feel like I'm a little bit cautious now wearing higher heel shoes. So with that point of view, all of this square-toed and with the flap with a little CC double lock at the front, and all the other designs as well, I'll just be cautious to get these shoes. But I hope that with the season progresses, they're going to launching these designs with kitten heels, like some of their sandals, that little chunky kitten heel, which I quite like. And with that double contrasting straps at the front, this shoe design, they have flat shoes. But I don't really like those 2 color designs. One is all in black, is the croc embossed leather. The other one is the black with the burgundy design. I know I'm an old lady, but I think those shoes reminds me of an old lady shoes. Sorry, this is my opinion. If you bought these shoes, don't be offended by it. It just, I feel about it. But I saw some girls wearing them. They look great on them. But it is something that you can't get rid of that in my mind. So therefore, I'm not going to go for those shoes. If I think they are old lady shoes, I don't want to wear old lady shoes, make me even more old lady. And they have some of these like wavy, quite chunky fishnet designed loafers and mules, and those backless shoes, and they're in black and in white, definitely for holiday shoes and summer shoes. They also have them in the suede design, and some of the sandals are really beautiful, and I really love this black and white design. I think if anything out of all of those, I might get myself a pair of these sandals. But I have just so many sandals, and I don't even really rotate all of them every summer. So I might park them, but I don't know. And because even though that I want to get probably any of those popular designs, I won't be getting them because the first lot of delivery probably all got sold out. People have been placed their names on waiting lists, so they're just waiting for more deliveries to come. And so it's just something that you will see a lot of people wearing them. And but would I get any of these things? Maybe. So what do you think, Matthieu's design, and what do you love the most? So that's it for today's video. So if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and give my video a like, and forward my video to your friends who is also love fashion related subjects. And so thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.